Hello everyone, welcome to another video. Today I will show you how to add auto captions on Instagram Reels. So let's go to Instagram Reels and let's record a quick Reels where I'm talking about something. So let's get started. Okay, once I've done that, I can go to preview. Hello everyone, welcome to another video. This is just a test reel. I can go here. Hello everyone, welcome to another video. So I'm just going to mute this a little bit. Done. Then I can go here to the sticker. Then I can go to captions. And as you can see, your captions has been removed because I muted my video, but you will be able to add your captions. So let's do that. Let me show you once again without me talking over it. So hello everyone, welcome to another video. This is just a test reel. Hello everyone, welcome to another video. This is just... So as you can see, that is how to add auto captions on Instagram Reels in 2022. It's really simple. And yeah, if you have any questions, leave a comment down below. Leave a like down below in the video. I would appreciate it. And yeah, we'll see you in the next tutorial video. Thank you for watching.